Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another card making video. Today I have a little helper in the craft room. This is my son Jetson.
Hi.
And we have a really fun layered card for you. This is my Spring Flowers layered card. How pretty is that front cover panel with all the greenery, and you have the little tulips and flowers around. When you open it up, there's a spot on the inside for your message.
I can see.
I'll show you in a second.
Okay.
And we have an envelope for you as well. This card is really easy to put together and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get into those materials. For this project, you're going to need your Cricut cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, scoring wheel or scoring stylus, scraper, a weeding tool, brayer, glue or adhesive, and your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG Cut File. Okay, here we are at my website, thebeardedhousewife.com. If you don't have an account with me already, you can click the sign up button. You'll be brought to a page with all of our different membership tiers. We have free, basic, and premium memberships. Go ahead and take a look at all the different options and select which one is right for you. I'm going to go ahead and click sign in. I'll go ahead and enter my credentials. And now I've logged into my account. To access the file libraries, you can use the main navigation bar here at the top. Now this file is free and available to all membership tiers. Those with free memberships will be able to find the file in the free files page. Basic and premium members will be able to find the file in the file library. No matter where you download the file from, make sure to download the cut file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that the project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to do to some of the score lines, so let's scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Click on this icon to drop down the layers, highlight the score lines, come up to the Operation menu and change that to Score, highlight the group, and Attach. And we need to do the same thing to the card base. Click on that icon, highlight the score line, change it to Score, highlight the group, and Attach. Once those two pieces have been converted, go ahead and click Make. And you can see the mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. Now the first thing that I'm going to do is layer up the front cover panel. I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer these together, but from back to front, you're going to start with the green, yellow, pink or red, and then this darker green. I'm going to go ahead and layer everything together, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all done. And there is our front cover panel. I'm going to set that to the side so I can go ahead and dry. Now let's go ahead and mat and layer the messaging panel. And we can set that to the side. Now let's take our card base, fold and burnish along the score lines. Go ahead and open up the card, and we can attach that messaging panel to the inside. Go ahead and close up that card base, and we can attach the front cover panel to the front of the card. And there we go. I'm going to set that to the side so everything can dry. Let's go ahead and make the envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Take our inlay panel, add glue along the outer edge of the inlay, flip the inlay over, place it over the cutout on the envelope flap, spin the envelope around, fold those side flaps in, add glue to the bottom of the side flaps. With our thumbs, go ahead and push up and press, and that forms our envelope. And our card is all set. What did you think of that card? Wasn't it really pretty? What did you think? Did you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. I hope that you like it too. If you make this card, I hope that you post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife. That's Jetson, and we will see you at the next card making video. Bye-bye.
Bye.